I don't know if it's still 11:11, but it was when I started recording. So what was our wish?
Big money.
Yes.
Big money.
Win
Money.
big. Yes. Yes.
I'm down for the cause. Down for the cause. She's the wingman.
The big reveal.
Oh,
Let's see.
the light.
Yeah. Okay. So we come in first, see the bathroom. Okay, so I wasn't that impressed with the room, to be honest. I mean, for a 4-star hotel, I would have expected something a little bit more special, and I didn't really get that from this, you know what I mean? But I guess, you know, we're paying the price for being right on the strip, and also the Usher concert is going to be in this very building, so I'm excited about that. It makes it super convenient, and yeah. All right, so it's the next day, and we have all day to do whatever we please. So we decided to walk around, check out the different hotels, go inside the different buildings, be, you know, on the strip. It's my first time in Vegas, so I want to see what's going on, what's happening. I don't even remember what building this was in, but, you know, it was had a lot of, you know, themed decorations, and it was cool to look at. And then we went passed through the casinos like a million times. Okay, so I know it's Vegas, right? But I did not know that there were literally casinos everywhere. I thought that it was, you know, a dedicated venue that you go to, not, you know, something where it's incorporated literally into everything, every hotel, every building. So I thought it was interesting. So now it's later that night. As you see, we're at Toca, Madera. It's a modern Mexican steakhouse that Gabby recommended. And we're about to see what the food is giving. We're about to see if this steak is worth these coins, okay? Girl. Wait, is my flash on? Hopefully not.
I'll start with the passion fruit margarita. Yeah.
So we've now ordered, and we're enjoying the entertainment while we wait for our food.
I never made them. No, these chips are fried tortillas. Huh? Yeah. I had no idea.
I only cook Mexican food.
Really?
That's all I know how to cook.
California?
What'd you get?
Some watermelon. I think it's a watermelon margarita. Okay. Come on, watermelon margarita.
And for the appetizers, we got some crispy calamari, also some short rib tostaditas, and of course earlier you saw we had some guacamole with some pomegranate seeds, and that was pretty good, a little bit different, but everything was really good so far.
Here's my truffle burger. That looks good. They got mushroom.
The fries. We got some street corn in the mix. Ooh, Karen got the Wagyu top cat. Look at that, give you a little fact.
So both Karen and Gabby agreed that the Wagyu steak was definitely worth it. They had no complaints. I tasted it as well. It was really great. And you know, oh, also for dessert, we had churro ice cream sandwich. It was really good. And overall, we just really enjoyed the food. So we definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. And now to the bathroom. Oh, random moment. Gabby recording. I'm not realizing, but then I suddenly spotted and like, wait, you're recording? And then we all end up on our phones. So after a little bathroom runway session / dance party, we went outside and they have this lounge area out front of the restaurant. So, you know, that's where we're seated. They're playing club type music and they have nice ambient lighting. And, you know, so we took the opportunity to take some more pictures and, you know, just continued vibing and, you know, getting ready for our next stop.
Oh no, she's bringing us on her side. No, she loves her so much. Thank ya. Which way do we go?
Okay, so this is where I stopped recording for the night. And now it's the next day, Friday, October the 13th, and it's the day of the Usher concert, y'all. I am so excited. I cannot contain myself. You guys don't even understand. But first, I had to head across the street to go to Ross, pick up some shoes. I needed a pair of shoes for the concert and a couple of accessories. So that's what I did. And shout out to Karen for helping me find them so quickly. Okay, so it's time for lunch / dinner. We went to the Bacchanal buffet, which was really extremely good. We totally recommend. We wanted to make sure we were energized, we're ready to go for the Usher concert. And then afterwards, Gabby went shopping as well. So we followed her into Louis Vuitton, honey. Your girl was shopping. And then we looked around at the Caesar's Palace a little bit more.
Woo! Juicy thing! Gonna try to make that tonight.
All right, guys, so that's it for Vegas part 1. Listen, you do not want to miss Vegas part 2, okay? I need to see you back for that because that's a turn up for the Usher concert, the main event. What? We were so excited. Thank you for watching. I cannot wait to see you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time.